Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a science experiment that will blow your mind. Now what you're going to need is a bottle and a tumbler, and last but not least, some tissues. And what you're going to do is fill the bottle until the very top. Now that's what you want to do. You want to make sure your bottle is leaking. Okay? Now take your tissue, fold it, and then 3, 2, and you gotta keep it slowly down. You're gonna tear it very carefully. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to tear from the sides down. What you're going to do is you're going to flip the bottle, and it seems that if you flip it, nothing's going to happen. It's not going to fall. So I haven't got a cap on. 3, 2, like and subscribe if this science experiment works for you. Look at that! No cap. But if I keep it at the side, nothing. Down, nothing. But if I take it out, something's going to happen. Like and subscribe if you like this short.